Hey and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will talk about the 10LOL, that's the brand, rear shock installation and their product. So this video is about their product, 10LOL, they're the sponsor of this video today, and we will be installing it in the golf cart, which up there is a video. It's for the EZGO RXV, in my case 2010, but those are valid already for 2008 until, I'll put it here, I have to double check. But that's in the package, so we have the shock absorber or the shocks itself, and then we also have the installation hardware, which is also new and looks pretty good, looks pretty new, looks small compared to a normal regular car size, but it's a golf cart, so it's not needing that much. Okay, here we are with the golf cart, and now we'll do the shocks and we'll basically do one side after each other. So just to figure things out as well, how to check it up and those kind of things. We did already the passenger side in this case. Now doing the same here. So we're checking it up here in the middle because that's where we have some steel. We didn't want to do it on diff cover, so I don't know if that's good or bad, or axle. Now we have checked it up a little bit. We will take those 4 bolts of which holding the tire in. In our case it's 15 millimeter, might depend on your rims or your wheel. We'll take it off and then we'll have access to the shock from this side, which will be very helpful, and it's a 15 millimeter nut bolt down here. In the second part you want to take off that little cover. We have this rear bench installed, as you remember, there's a video up there, and we're taking off this cover basically, which will give us access here to this bolt of the shock head. So we'll take it out. It's just a bolt holding it, it's not a nut. And we'll do it now. Take off the tire and then we'll continue. There will be more products of 10LOL, which are featuring a couple of my videos, and we'll be installing all of them just to prepare you for upcoming videos. So you can see the difference, the new ones, the black ones, the 10LOL shocks, they look a little bit bigger in diameter. I don't know if that's accurate or not. They have the same length. We'll see. Oh good, they are or not. This is the old one from the passenger side. They look similar, except for here they painted here this ring as well, which should be metal. We'll see. I just try to install the same orientation how it was before, and just use a washer in between. As you saw, they are included in the packages. The bolts they provided are the same. The bolts we took out are the same. So just replacing it with new ones, and then just hand tighten it a little bit. Get it to be seated, do the same on the bottom, and then you can slowly tighten them. Okay, I'm using WD-40 wire brush, or something would be great to have, or some kind of brush. But just want to get those dirty threads cleaned. And testing out the threads just to see if it goes in, and it looks pretty good and smooth already. Nice. We'll do this now. So that means you might have to lift it a little bit, and then you can get them in. If you want to stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. All right, so those are the final steps we're doing, putting the tires back on and then just jumping on it and testing out. Those are the old ones. Oh, just saw that. So maybe it was good to replace them. We'll see. 10LOL provided them for this video, so sponsored by them. Thanks again. We'll test it out. If there's anything wrong with it, I'll follow up in another video or in the comments. If you like that stuff, subscribe to the channel. There's multiple or tons of more videos out there right now about what we did to the golf cart. And if you want to watch them, subscribe or just watch the videos, whatever you like. Thanks for watching. Cheers! Well, it's still shockingly good, I would say. God, it was bad. It looks like they do what they're supposed to do. We'll see how they feel at the end.